Hey crypto traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe so you guys could see these videos every time I release them. So we're going to do a Zombie Inu update, price update, where I think it's going. And as you guys know, I try and be as honest and unbiased as possible, even though I am long for the long term with Zombie. Just a full disclosure. Also, none of this is trading advice. It's just some dude on YouTube giving you guys price analysis charts. So let's dive right into it. The first thing is we're going to look at Zombie Inu wrapped with Ethereum. Okay, the last time I did a video, which was last Friday, I said we had inverse head and shoulders. We're right here. I'm like, we're either going to fall in reverse or probably break out. And if we do break out, watch this 85 level as a resistance. Well, guess what? We had a nice breakout with force, right, which is a good thing. And we rallied all the way up to that 85 and then pulled back, and now we're above it. We are creating a potential little head and shoulders right here. But with that being said, we now have to redraw some of this stuff. So let's redraw, kind of do a redraw. And this time, I'm just going to kind of grab a trend line like this. Okay. And then I'm going to grab a trend line. We'll go from this high up like this. This is kind of what we're playing with right now, right? We have two different type of trend lines going on because we kept touching this 3 hits. Pullback, if we pull back, I won't be surprised if we actually pull right back to this 70 level, which was also this prior swing high right here before we failed, kind of got stuck back there and then blew out. So this is what I'm saying. What I would love to see is a pullback to the 70 level and then make another run back up towards the highs. The reason I say that's what I would like to see is it's more of kind of backfilling this entire move right here, making sure it's solid, and then we could continue higher. It's just a technical analysis thing. Now, with that being said, we did this right here was our prior highs, right? Because we were in a downtrend. We really had to break above this 10 level to kind of make new highs to reverse the entire trend. And guess what? That's exactly what we did. Even though it was just by a tiny bit, we actually did break it a little bit higher. We got up to the 11 area. And then the reversal, but the whole structure of the market has changed from being bearish to now a bullish. And that's why I say I kind of would love to see a pullback and then a bounce, and then we could continue to the upside, depending what the overall crypto market does. Remember, I'm saying I actually think Bitcoin is going to about 20,000. With that being said, we may see a little more pain and then this kind of give up this entire move all the way back down. But again, that's another buying opportunity. If you were like, I want to buy down here and you never did, you might get that chance if the overall crypto and stock market do fall, which it may. So just be aware of that. Now, on the Zombie Inu Binance side, I said we had kind of the wedge, a little different pattern than what the Ethereum was showing. And then I said we kept bouncing. We were right here on Friday, and then we had that massive move over the weekend. We took out these highs, and then we had a sharp pullback to the 70 level. Okay, and then kind of got all the way up to 13. What's interesting right now is Binance Zombie is actually outperforming the Ethereum side. So, but again, like I said, they do come back in in line, if that makes sense. And that's on this pullback back here. That's essentially what happened, right? It came all the way back down to that 7, 8 or the 8th level to kind of come back in line. So with that being said, right now we're at 96 while the Ethereum is at 88. I won't be surprised if we maybe rally, kind of pull back, settle around this 85 level to match up. This comes back down to the 80 level, and then I think they kind of get back to even par. So that's what I think's going on. Just grabbing a trend line. With what we have right now, there's really no other place to go off the trend line here. So we'll go here, but I actually think that's not the best trend line that I like. I would probably say we're going to come probably down to about this level right here, which would also match up with this lower high, right? Old support becomes new resistance, came down, bounced. So, but do we make a higher low where we have to hold that? So that's what's going on with a zombie. Remember, this is really good price action, believe it or not, for both of them, for Zombie Inu for the longer term. And the reason I say that is we're kind of bouncing around. We're just building a really solid base down here from this 1 to 25 level, okay, on both of them. And as we just chop around, that's building a really good solid base that I believe when we break out above 25, we'll be able to go to 50. That would just flip this over. That would be the ultimate target, would be 50. And if you're able to buy down here, like I said last week, the 50, that could be a 10x on your money. Might take a little while, but this is overall very good price action. We're just building a base and things like that. So hopefully you guys like these videos. Let me know in the comments if you guys like them. Let me know if there are other things you guys want me to look at when I do these analysis. If there is, if you want me to get a little more technical on them, or if I'm too technical. I'm just trying to take care of the zombie mob. As I say, I'm never going to try and pump this thing, but I will tell you guys what I like and I dislike. Oh, one last thing. The guys from a Zombie did do a AMA over the weekend. They have another one coming up, I believe, this weekend. So go on Twitter to take a look at it. But they were talking about NFTs coming out within the next 60 days. So be on the outlook or the lookout for those and things like that. But as always, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy these, and we'll talk to you soon.